Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add variations to listing. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to log in into your account, click on account settings. After that, scroll down, go to seller dashboard. From here, you must select start selling. After that, select list an item. Now all you need to do is to type whatever item you want to sell. For example, Rams. Select continue without match. Select the condition, new or used or whatever you want. After that, from here, make sure to go to top right corner to these three dots, select it and then go to settings. Make sure to switch on variations. After that, scroll down. Make sure to fill all these information fields. After that, you can see the variation sections. To enable it, scroll down, go to pricing, formats, switch it from auction to buy it now. After that, go back. You can now edit the variations. Select add, for example, the total capacity. Select save. You can add whatever you want. After that, select continue, and you continue with the process like the normal way. As you can see here, select save and close, and that's it. Hope you find this video is helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.